Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Litecoin continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now providing us support for us to continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $67.2 mark, and a break above that key area of resistance with a retest. We can easily see Litecoin get above the $70 mark. The key area of support at around the $64.06 mark also continues to hold. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and zooming out on the charts, you can see that on the 11th of September, Litecoin made a low at around the $57.6 mark, and then afterwards we continued gearing up obeying the Elliot structures, where we picked in a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $68.5 mark in a move that I'm terming as the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1. And since we have the formation of that first wave to the upside, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of a wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low that we made on the 11th of September to that high above the $67.5 mark, I get a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and you can see that Litecoin has managed to get into that target area. We saw a reaction of the fib level 0.5, and there are high chances that in the next coming hours we might continue seeing another bounce to the upside and get to a resistance at around the $67.2 mark, which is the next key decision area. And we also need to have in mind that there are chances that in case we see that run up to resistance, we can get rejected, and in case such a movement plays out and we see further pullback on the charts, then the next key area of support to watch is at around the $64 mark. And in case we lose the $64 mark, then I will be expecting further pullback into this blue target area so that we can fully maximize it, get one more new low for the second wave before we can start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Litecoin chart. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are holding above the 61 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.